Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to this platform and welcome to the month of December 2024. All right. Are you as excited as I am? If you're not excited, then I think it's time for you to be excited because we are bringing you an exciting news. This is December, and you know what it means. December is like the last month for the year 2024. And you know for sure that we are actually already kissing 2024 goodbye. Alright, so let's take a moment and think about ourselves. What have you achieved in 2024 as an artist, as a music artist? What have you achieved? What are the accomplishments that you have achieved in this year? Alright, so whether you have achieved a lot or maybe you have not really achieved much for this year 2024, I want to tell you that there is really nothing for you to worry about because right here at the Elegant Empire Music, we have a lot for you as an artist. So I think you may be wondering, what exactly are we bringing for you? This is about the Afro Music Talent Show. So automatically we are starting the season 9 of the Afro Music Talent Show. So just in case you want to ask, what is Afro Music Talent Show? Afro Music is actually an online music competition set aside for music artists to come all out, unleash their full potentials, and live their dreams in the music industry. Alright, so through the Afro Music Talent Show, we have consistently sponsored numerous music artists and given them formidable platform to actually grow in their talents. Some of these artists have never actually gotten the opportunity to record before, but through the Afro Music Talent Show, we have given numerous artists from the season 1 and up till the just concluded season 8 opportunities for them to actually explore and do more, and then sponsorship and then the support that you have been looking for and yearning for as an artist. We actually are well aware that it is not easy to actually succeed as an independent artist. Alright, so there is a lot for you to look out for, from studio session to video production to actually promotion, monetization of your songs, distribution. Everything is just too much, and even to the point where you have to actually get yourself out there to perform on stage and all of that. It's actually too much for a rising artist, and that's why it is essential for you as an artist to seize this opportunity in the Afro Music Talent Show. Come and show us that you have the talent, perform in the competition, and win yourself fabulous prizes from cash prize to recording contract deal. This is exclusively brought to you by the Elegant Empire Music. Alright, so I think by now you should already know a brief about the Afro Music Talent Show. Now, how do you register and get on this competition? Okay, so it's actually an online competition and everything is going to be done online. From the registration process to the competition to the voting, and the only time that you're going to get to meet with us physically is when you are selected as consolation prize winners or as the grand winner. Okay, so whether you are not the winner or whether you are the winner, we have a prize for you. So all you have to do is just do your best in the competition and leave the rest for us. So the registration process is actually very simple and it is absolutely free of charge. So all you have to do is contact us on WhatsApp and tell us that you're interested in the Afro Music Talent Show Season 9, and we are going to send you the information you need to fill out and perform a few tasks, and then boom, you're going to be added to the competition group chat and you're already going to be waiting for the main competition to start. It's as simple as that. Registration is ongoing right now and it starts from 1st of December and it shall last till 7th of December 2024. After 7th of December, we are not going to be accepting registration again from contestants. Alright, so that being said, let's talk more about the competition. So the competition is divided into 3 different stages. The first stage is the registration process, which I've already discussed it. Alright, so the second stage of this competition is the main competition itself, where you are going to be performing. Alright, so how are you going to perform? A general beat will be sent across to all contestants, whether you are a rapper, whether you are a gospel artist, whether you are an Afro singer, whether you are a trap, whatever Afrofusion, whatever genre of song you do, one single beat would be sent across for this competition, and all contestants are expected to do their best on the beat. So you have to write out your song and then sing and send it across to us. It's as simple as that. So once the beat is being released, all you have to do is get it played on an MP player or any sound device and record yourself with your mobile phone, placing your mobile phone like this on a portrait view. Record yourself and send it across to us. Make sure you do not place your phone like this. This is landscape. We don't want you to place your phone like this. We want you to place your phone like this. This is portrait. Record it and send it to us, all right, on WhatsApp, and you are sure done with the main competition. All right, so it's as simple as that. It's not a freestyle competition. Take your time, write out your song, study the beat, and then you perform and send it across to us. All we need is you singing to your camera and the beat playing in a lower volume on the background, and that's all. All right, once you're done with that, you don't need to do any editing on the video. You don't need to do any filtering. You don't need to use any filter. You don't need to do any editing, and you do not need to use any studio facility to record yourself. Not even a phone application. Do not use anything. We just want to see your raw voice, and then you singing, the beat playing in the background, you using your raw voice to sing and performing to your camera and sending it straight up to us on WhatsApp. It is as simple as that. Upon submission of your content, all content will be assembled on our YouTube channel, and then the last round of the competition would start immediately when your videos are available on our YouTube channel. So the last round of this competition is the voting. The voting will actually commence on the 17th of December 2024, and it shall last till 31st of December 2024. Alright, so the voting process is as simple as this. Once your video is already available on our YouTube channel, we are going to generate a link to your video and send it across to you. And all you have to do is share the link to all your friends, family, well-wishers, supporters, sponsors, and tell them to watch your content and then vote for you. It is as simple as that. Details about the voting and how everything is going to be done is already inscripted on the guidelines for this competition. So after your registration, we are going to send you the guidelines that will clearly state to you all that I have said, the schedules, the voting process, and everything that will be given to you via this competition as the winner, or maybe as the consolation prize winner. All right, so it's as simple as that. So that is the three categories of this competition: the registration, the main competition, which you're going to get the beat and perform your song, and then the last one is the voting, which you're going to be voting for yourself as a contestant, and people all around you would actually also vote for you. So if you're ready and set for this competition, then let's get started. Okay, so that being said, some people might be asking, why do I need to do AFROMUSIC Talent Show? Now let me take a minute and tell you why. With AFROMUSIC Talent Show, you get the opportunity to actually contest side by side other artists in the industry. By so doing, you're going to be able to test your skills and be able to know if you stand a chance in this competitive industry. You're going to see other people perform the same track that you are performing. You're going to be able to rate yourself and tell yourself that you have done something tangible. And also, people all over the world would actually be able to see your skills and actually know that you are very talented. Obviously, you are very talented. Another very important reason for you to be a part of the AFROMUSIC Talent Show is that we are going to give you an exclusive guide and management into the industry. so that you're going to not make some mistakes that upcoming artists make in the industry. Maybe via distributing of your songs, or maybe via monetizing of your songs, or maybe via performing as an artist. We are going to give you an exclusive guide towards getting yourself in the industry as an artist. So, this and many more are just the reason you have to be a part of this competition. Isn't that an amazing opportunity we are giving to you via the Elegant Empire Afro Music Talent Show? I know this is not a competition you want to miss out. So, waste no time. Contact us right now on WhatsApp and let us get you started. Afro Music Talent Show is always taking you into fame. Be a part of this and see you when you contact us. My name is Elegant Akpabio and I am the project director of the Afro Music Talent Show. See you.